we begin with the historic ruling on Obamacare at the Supreme Court. Very strong reaction tonight on both sides. That dramatic moment, interns, reporters sprinting with the decision from the 9 justices in their hands. The question, would the president's signature domestic achievement survive? Many tonight pointing to this man, the conservative Chief Justice John Roberts, twice now saving Obamacare. One dissenting justice tonight with fiery words now. Let's get right to the moment this decision was handed down. ABC's Terry Moran at the Supreme Court.
Out they came, dashing across the Supreme Court plaza, the running of the interns. Rushing up to reporters, us too, with the answer to that crucial question, would Obamacare survive? It did. In a stunning 6-3 decision, the court saved the linchpin of the president's health care law, those federal subsidies that already help 6.4 million Americans in 34 states purchase health insurance. Chief Justice John Roberts, who saved Obamacare once before back in 2012, did it again today, rejecting conservatives' arguments that those federal subsidies should not be provided to people who live in states that have refused to set up their own Obamacare health insurance exchanges. But the Chief Justice declared that made no sense given the purpose of the law. Congress passed the Affordable Health Care Act to improve health insurance markets, not to destroy them, Roberts wrote. Roberts ruled that courts should follow what Congress intended when they wrote the law. In a democracy, he wrote, the power to make the law rests with those chosen by the people. Our role is more confined. Justice Antonin Scalia furious in his dissent, on the losing side again and blasting his colleagues who keep saving this law. We should start calling this law SCOTUS care, he sneered. He added the discouraging truth that the Supreme Court of the United States favors some laws over others. At the White House, the president in the Rose Garden relieved, declaring that his signature accomplishment is here to stay.
This is health care in America. What we're not going to do is unravel what has now been woven into the fabric of America.
And Terry Moran live with us now from Washington, because Terry, the Supreme Court is not done yet. A major decision on same-sex marriage could come as early as tomorrow.
Absolutely, David. This is the one everyone has been waiting for on whatever side of the question you're on. In this case, it could mean that gay couples in every state in the United States would have a constitutional right to marry, and it could come as early as tomorrow.
All right, Terry Moran, and we know you'll be right there tomorrow.